Hello beautiful people, let's make fish roll or fish pie filling. Here I have mackerel fish and I added in salt and seasoning cube. If you have fish seasoning, that would be better. And I rubbed it all over the fish to help marinate it, and I added a little water, just a little water, and I brought it to a boil for about 7 minutes. And here it's well boiled. Now I brought it out from the pot. And here we are going to remove the middle bones. No one should choke while eating your fish pie or fish roll or any fish filling recipe. So I use mackerel because that's what's available to me, and it's sweeter and it has less bones. You can use any fish that you prefer. And we're going to mince this fish. We're going to separate it from each other into tiny bits. And very importantly, we are going to remove these tiny bones. Please carefully sort out these tiny bones so that no one will choke while eating this fish recipe. And here I have onions, ginger, garlic and peppers, and we're going to grate this into rough textures. This will add spice and flavor to this our fish pie filling. And in a dry pan on heat, I added in little cooking oil. And I brought in the grated ingredients, and we're going to stir fry this for about 3 minutes because it's a smaller quantity. And I brought in the fish, so we're going to fry this between 3 to 5 minutes also. This will intensify the taste of the fish as well. Remember, at Glory Homemaker we give you value for your time. And now I brought in curry powder and I mixed this together so that it wouldn't be clumped up. And I also brought in thyme leaves. We'll also stir this together. We are cooking this on medium heat. I didn't add any salt or seasoning again because the ones I added earlier was enough. You have to check yours to know if you need to adjust your seasoning or your salt. And I rinsed my blender and brought in the water, just a little water, and brought in the carrots. That water will help the carrots to cook till tender. We'll mix it together and we'll cover the pot and cook this for about a minute on medium heat. The carrot is quite tender now. I brought in the spring onions and we'll stir this together. The spring onions add color, spice and taste to this our fish pie filling. We're going to stir this for a minute, and here you can see there is no water in this our fish pie filling. The pan is well dried, there is no trace of water. If there is water, it can affect your fish pie or your fish roll. It will make it damp and you wouldn't like the outcome. And also add a little oil from the beginning so that your fish pie filling wouldn't be soggy. Now we are transferring this to a plate to cool completely before using it. Make sure that this cools down completely before adding it to the dough so that you'll have a very good outcome. I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. You all make my day worthwhile. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my videos and get amazing content like this. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.